Hello everyone. In this unit, solving for unknown parameters, this subunit using known root, we are going to learn how to find the coefficient, missing coefficient or parameter in an equation or in a polynomial in general. So we used to be given the equation and asked to solve it for x or for the variable. So in this lesson, we're going to learn how, if we given an equation with one root and missing parameter. So let's take an example to simplify the idea. Let's take a quadratic equation, for example. So let's have this x if x equals to 3 is a root or a solution for the equation x squared minus bx plus 12 equals to 0. Find b. So in this case, we have x. We can easily substitute the x. The equation here. So I have 3 squared minus b multiplied with 3 plus 12 equals to 0. So 9 minus 3b plus 12 equals to 0. Now 12 plus 9 is equals to 21 minus 3b equals to 0. So minus 21 minus 21, this means minus 3b equals minus 21. Let's divide by minus 3 both sides of equation, then get rid of this. B equals to 7. So the equation, the original equation is x squared minus bx let's write it directly, minus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. If you try to find the other root of the equation, since it's a quadratic equation, so let's factorize the equation with two factors. Both of them have x's, and I need two constants, two numbers that when multiplied to each other give me 12, and if added to each other give me 7. First, the product is plus, so has to be negative and negative. 4 multiplied with 3, which gives minus 3, minus 4 gives me minus 7, and minus 4 multiplied with minus 3 give 12. So either x equals to 4 or x equals to 3. We are given 3, then our solution is right. The other root is 4. Let's take another example. Equals to 0. Find b and find the other root of the equation. We can't find the other root until we find b, so we write the equation in the right formula, then solve for the other root. So it's quadratic equation. So I have if we have x equals to 1. All we are going to do is just substitute here, and 1 squared minus b minus 12 equals to 0. So 1 minus b minus 12 equals to 0. 13 equals minus b, or b equals to minus 13. This is now the equation now is x squared minus 13 x minus 12 equals to 0. Let's find the other root by factorizing this quadratic equation. Two factors both have x. I need two numbers or constants that when multiplied gives me minus 12, and when added to each other gives me minus 13. It's obvious that it's minus 12 and minus 1. Let's just correct the sign here. Now the roots are 1 or 12, so the other root is 12. Let's take a look at the other example. Equals minus 2 is a solution to the equation x cubed minus ax squared minus 4x plus 8 equals 0. Then find a. We find here, substitute x in the equation. That gives me minus 2 cubed minus a minus 2 squared minus 4 multiplied to minus 2 plus 8 equals to 0. This equals minus 8 here. Minus 2 squared is 4. 4 multiplied with 9 with a. 4 multiplied with a here, minus 4 minus plus 8 equals to 0. Minus 4a plus 8 equals to 0, minus 4a equals to minus a, then a for sure is equal to 2. So the equation is x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 8 equals to 0. If we are asked to find the other roots for the equation, so all we need to add over 4, okay, we can take a common factor here. So x cubed is x squared as a common factor. What left here is x minus 2 minus, if we take minus 4 out, left with x minus 2 equals to 0. X minus 2 is a common factor. X squared minus 4 equals to 0. Now x minus 2, and this is x minus 2, x plus 2, it is a full square. So the roots are x equals 2, x equals minus 2. That's it. I hope this session was helpful. Thank you and see you next time.